We're having a problem. The truck won't start.
Why you gotta be like this, macaroni?
We have less than 30 minutes. We're supposed to leave at 12.
It's always something. It's always something. 30 minutes before we have to leave. Yeah. As long as we fix it, it's okay. Try it now. Okay, so it's something to do with this wire.
It's always something.
Do it again. Oh. Okay, something's happening. Get it? So the purple. There it is.
What was it?
That reverse switch. Ah.
Strapping her down, you gotta say, that ain't going nowhere. It's part of it.
I'm driving old Tiki. You hear that exhaust leak? That's what happens when you work on cars. You never fix your own. Get Carter on there too.
Carter is leaving. He's going with us tonight. Josh will be with us in the morning.
Yeah, Carter's coming to snuggle with Chase, and Josh is coming tomorrow to snuggle with me.
Man, look, Josh is a lot cuter than Carter.
Well, you're so skinny. Carter's got a lot of meat for you, and me and Josh are the same height. So
that'll work.
Man, that math's out good.
That'll work. I like it. Carter said he'll break me. All right, but look at the truck. All I know is this thing looks freaking awesome. Dude,
I'm just glad it's loaded up. It's running. It looks great. We've worked our butts off. Chase polished the wheels last night. It's ready. C10 Nationals, here we come.
Coming. See y'all there.
We made it to Texas Motor Speedway. It looks like the storm's fitting to hit, but we're gonna be in the Poppy's Patina booth, so we're gonna get in here and get unloaded. Hopefully we don't have any bad weather. We look forward to seeing y'all guys. We're gonna show you what's going on this weekend too.
Is this what I was supposed to do? Russell, you edited an awesome video in one day.
I hope everybody likes it. It's like my third time, but y'all be sure and come out to C10 Nationals tomorrow because we're gonna release this video now. We just got here, we got everything set up at the Poppy's Patina booth, so come by, say hi to Chase, say hi to me, tell us you saw this video. We'll do something cool.
What's something cool?
I don't know.